with another video. I'm doing this intro after I just ate a big amazing meal. Just wanted to let y'all know that. I just feel like I didn't do an intro in the beginning because I thought this video was going to be a vlog, but it ended up being just a car mukbang. I hope you guys enjoy this content as much as I enjoyed eating it. Honey, when I tell you, this video will make you want to go get some hibachi, period, and make you want to eat it in your car. Maybe not eat it in a car because it was a bit tight. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna cap, it was a bit tight, but it was enjoyable at the most. But I keep thinking somebody gonna be at the back. Oh, I'm paranoid, y'all. But make sure y'all like this video, subscribe, comment down below. Let's get straight. Alright, you guys, so I'm back and I actually got like hibachi takeout because I just got tired of just eating the same old like stuff every freaking day. It's the salad, which I don't eat. I got tired of eating fast food. You ever get just tired of eating fast food and you just want that good? And this is that good, best believe. Hibachi, you can never go wrong with hibachi, baby. Hibachi, baby. Yes, hibachi, baby. Wait a minute, because I'm going to have to go back in and get some soy sauce because they got me messed up. Let me go back in and get some soy sauce, y'all. Give me a minute. I'm back with the soy sauce, child. I am back with the soy sauce. Let me turn my air down. It seems like it's not like, you know, auto-correcting. But yes, y'all, so got my fine ass Dr. Pepper, okay, period. Giving the roast filet mignon and shrimp. I'm so happy. I am so freaking happy. Look at my food. So good. Pressure. But yeah, I'm so happy. I don't even know where to start, honestly. I gotta go pick up collars in a few. And then I gotta go to the grocery store. I was gonna go to the grocery store without him. I would prefer to go to the grocery store without him. But I don't wanna be late picking him up. So I guess I'ma just have to. Y'all, this is so clutch. Like, I wish I had the room to, you know, really put my food out there, because I would. I got a shaggy dog roll. Pressure. Oh man, I had buku soy sauce in here. I didn't even check. I didn't have to go back in. It's cool though. I got a shaggy dog roll. Y'all see it? So good. Super good, actually. Good vibes only. Super good vibes only. I'm gonna go ahead and put this. Yeah, I really don't eat this, but I only eat it on this thing. I think it's spicy mayo, but I don't like to say it's mayo because it just throws me for a loop that I'm actually eating like mayo, if that makes sense. I don't like too much on it. This really be the good stuff. I don't like to say I'm eating mayo because it makes me think about mayo, and then it just throw me off. But that's really what it is, spicy mayo. So let me show y'all how I eat my sushi. So I just get a piece. It be looking like so much more food when you actually like eat hibachi. I get a piece, dip it in my soy sauce. Yep. Yup. 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 Period. bar hibachi mukbang. Oh, this is takeout hibachi. Is it? Well, I got the hibachi. Okay. It seems like I got so much like food, like so much food. It's my shrimp fried rice. I'll try to eat this rice with these. Put soy sauce on there, shit. Make them pockets shake. And they're gonna get it. Make that pocket in it. This is like one of my favorite foods. Who don't love hibachi? Who don't eat hibachi? Alright. I'm just trying to be fancy with the sticks. Drop my shrimp. Period. But yeah, y'all. Today I feel like I got a lot accomplished. I took a lot of pictures for like deals and stuff like that. I took a lot of pictures. So that in that area, I got shit done. I want to take these vegetables off and put them on this, so that way I can put my rice on this plate, because I hate when they put the rice on different. No, I waste my ginger sauce, y'all. I got too much going on. I'm so sad I waste my ginger sauce. I'ma eat an egg roll. I'ma eat a roll to that. At this point, I can't believe I just wasted that sauce. It was so good too. Eat a roll. I honestly just got y'all watching me because this roll, honestly, it's not as good as like when they make it dough. They know what they be doing. It's missing something. I don't know what it is, but it's definitely missing something. It don't usually taste like this. Like, it be having a crunch or something, and I'm not getting it. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this roll up. I just rate that roll today a 6. They really did disappoint me because they always make my roll pressure. But I guess today, you know, since I'm having such a productive day, they trying to shit on me or whatever. Let me put my rice on this plate, y'all. So that way I can make everything, you know, in my area. This is sauce I waste. Some good sauce too. I'm gonna eat the sauce off this bag. This sauce just that good. But I know I'm smacking like y'all. This is a real mukbang. I really ain't got nothing to talk about. I really ain't got nothing to talk about. I'm just coming on here to smack. I heard y'all like mukbang. I heard y'all like mukbang, so I just wanted to do one because I'm bored. And this is his fat people problems. So I get trying to sit in the car and sneak and eat. Eating hibachi and then go get my kid McDonald's sandwich, man. I'm making people a jelly sandwich. Cause I barely like hibachi anyway. Ooh. I felt that Dr. Pepper all the way down my throat. I mean all the way down my stomach. But yeah, y'all. Cause I barely. I'll pick him up, go to the grocery store. I really want to go to the grocery store before I pick him up. Depending on what time I finish my food, I'm gonna go straight to the grocery store. And then hurry up, pick up a whole bunch of stuff. Because I really don't want to bring him in the store. It's hard bringing your 1-year-old into the store, y'all. It really is. I should be making the girls hungry today. I'm already full. There's gonna be some good leftovers though. But what a lunch. I'm be tired of this. Yeah, it seems like I don't rest when Kaz at daycare. And then as soon as I get him, I be so super tired. Like, maybe because I just have been like working and like constantly like doing stuff while he's not here, trying to do as much as I can, and I just forget to sleep while he gone. And when he come back from daycare, he'll be lit. He'll be super lit. But how long is it boring and watching me eat? I be watching people eat. I be watching MUKBANG. Y'all see this good old rice? I'm gonna insert it into my mouth. I'm so lame. Imagine looking at me. I imagine being parked outside of me and looking at me. Like she talking to a camera, eating at a camera. I'm really like, just imagine it for a minute. Like I'm sitting in the car talking to my camera. Think about that in real life. I know y'all watching me, but think about that. I'm sitting in this car, even as a body, talking to my camera. But my mind. But it's so good. I'm trying not to eat all my steak because I'm getting full, and I think I'm just eating just because it's good. You know how you just eat just because it's so good. I ain't messed around. They must have gave me the smallest fillet in that thing, y'all. I swear to God, they be jacking. They be jacking. They be jacking for real. I'm not even gonna count. Because when I eat hibachi inside, oh baby, oh baby. When I eat inside, honey, plate be way bigger than this. And I always have seconds in to go. I always have to go food. They don't give me that lip 5-piece full of filet. And that filet was too good. I ate it too fast. I'm mad that I ate it too fast, but child, I'm full now. I'm trying to see if I just want to make this like its own little video. this little car mukbang, or do I actually want to? I'm gonna eat this for like. Or do I actually want to? Put this in the vlog. I feel like this should be its own little video. Just because I'm really walking this food like a dog. I don't know who that is, sorry. Hello? Y'all see what I'm talking about? Weird. It's weird, but I think I'm gonna make this on video. Anyways, y'all, thank y'all so much for tuning in to my mukbang. I just want to get on here and say, hey, hey, it is, but thank y'all for tuning in, honey. Make sure y'all was subscribing to my channel, liking my videos. I got a ticket on my way back to Baton Rouge, y'all. I mean, on my way back to Houston, I got a ticket. Hold on, I'm back. But that was just too good. That was just too good. So good. So good, sis. Make sure y'all try y'all some HIBACHI, baby, because it be so good. Alright. So fucking good. Giving me everything I need. Giving me, I want to go home and take a nap, honey. But luckily I do have time to go get some groceries. And Janae had texted me a whole list of items to get Kaiser so that his immune system can stay strong or something like that. Get him a whole bunch of fruit and stuff like that. Just help him stay healthy, you know. He's a healthy kid. But so I'm gonna go get that. And that'll be perfect timing for me to go get that and then get him, go home, make him some food. I gotta see, I forgot, I gotta make him a snack, and then I gotta figure out what he's eating for dinner, because I feel like I be feeding him the same stuff over and over and over. But that's the only thing he'll eat. Like, he'll eat mashed potatoes, macaroni. I gotta give him meat. I really want to go on a water diet, y'all, so I really want to go on a water diet. But y'all know how y'all have that, like, you eat something really heavy and you need something like a cold drink to, like, so you can burp it up, or it's gonna make you feel like you gotta throw up. I don't know if I'm the only one who feel like that. I mean, who do that? I don't know if y'all think that's disgusting or not, but I feel like I've been needing a cold drink to really, like, get it up. You feel what I'm saying? Because I don't know, but I want to go on a water diet, because I heard, like, once you go on a water diet, it's like it's very hard to come back. Like, my friend Caitlin, she, like, went on a water diet, and now all she drank is water. Like, all she ordered at the restaurants is water. So I feel like if I force myself to drink a lot of water in the first beginning, it'll come natural to me that I just ask for water, and everything else just seems too sweet. So I'm really trying to get myself on that. If I'm not gonna diet, I might as well drink plenty of water. Is my mindset right now, because I love food way too much not to like to diet, y'all, and that's just that one there. I love food way too much to go on a diet. But I could drink me some water. I really barely drink cold drink, and I don't know, lately I just been craving a Dr. Pepper. But I drink lemonade when I go to restaurants. Strawberry lemonade, I know that's like a lot of sugar. But I'm gonna stop wasting your time because I gotta go to this grocery store. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for tuning in on the road to our Millie. Let's do it. We out.